Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about deploying React applications. Deployment is the crucial stage in which a React application is readied for public access on the internet. Popular deployment methods include GitHub Pages, Netlify, Heroku, and AWS. For instance, GitHub Pages allows for simple hosting directly from a GitHub repository, while Netlify offers continuous deployment and custom domains. Heroku and AWS provide scalable solutions for more complex applications, with Heroku focusing on ease of use and AWS offering a wide range of services for deployment requirements. Selecting the appropriate deployment method depends on the application's size, complexity, and scalability needs. GitHub Pages is a platform that allows for the deployment of static websites, even React applications, for free. The process involves creating a GitHub repository and pushing the React project to it. Next, in the repository settings, enable GitHub Pages and choose the branch for deployment. After these steps, the React application can be accessed at your GitHub username github.io/repository-name. This method simplifies hosting and sharing web projects, making them readily available for public viewing or testing. Netlify is widely used for deploying React applications, offering features such as continuous deployment. To begin, create a Netlify account and link your GitHub repository. Next, adjust your build settings and deploy your React app. Once completed, Netlify will furnish you with a special URL for accessing your live React application. This process streamlines the deployment of web applications, enabling rapid and efficient distribution to end users. Overview. Heroku is a cloud platform for deploying applications. It supports various types of applications, including React. Deployment steps. 1. Create a new Heroku app. 2. Connect your GitHub repository to the Heroku app. 3. Configure build packs for React. 4. Deploy your React application on Heroku. 3. Conclusion. Once deployed, your React application will be accessible via the provided Heroku URL. Heroku simplifies the process of hosting and managing applications in the cloud. Example: by following these steps, you can effortlessly deploy your React application on Heroku and make it accessible to a wider audience. To deploy a React application on AWS, follow these steps. 1. Create an S3 bucket and upload your static React application build files. 2. Configure a CloudFront distribution to globally serve your React application. 3. Access your React application through the CloudFront URL. For example, you can host a portfolio website built with React on AWS by storing the website files in an S3 bucket and using CloudFront to accelerate content delivery worldwide. This approach ensures efficient deployment and scalability for your React application on AWS. Deploying a React application is like packaging and shipping a product to a customer. Just like how a product needs to be properly packaged and labeled before it can be sent out, a React application requires bundling and building before it can be deployed. Once the product is shipped, it needs to be continuously monitored for any issues or updates, similar to how a deployed React application needs to be maintained and updated regularly. If there are any issues with the product, it needs to be recalled and fixed. Just like how bugs in a deployed React application need to be identified and patched through updates. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code provided illustrates the analogy of deploying a React application to packaging and shipping a product. The process begins with preparing the React application for deployment by bundling it using Webpack. This involves configuring the Webpack settings in the webpack.config.js file to specify the entry point, output path, and necessary loaders for JavaScript and CSS files. Next, the React application is built using the Webpack command in the terminal, which compiles and bundles the application into a production-ready build. This build can then be deployed to a hosting service like Netlify or Versal, similar to shipping a product to customers. After deployment, it is crucial to continuously monitor and maintain the deployed React application. This involves using tools like Sentry for error monitoring and releasing updates to fix bugs or introduce new features. If any critical issues arise in the deployed application, updates and patches must be promptly released to address them. In summary, the process of deploying a React application mirrors packaging, shipping, monitoring, recalling, and fixing a product before it reaches the end customer. By following these steps and best practices, developers can ensure a seamless deployment and optimal user experience for their React applications. One industrial example of deploying React applications can be seen in e-commerce platforms. Companies that operate online stores utilize React to create interactive and dynamic shopping experiences for their customers. When deploying a React application for an e-commerce platform, it's essential to ensure seamless performance, quick loading times, and secure transactions to provide a satisfying user experience. By following best practices in deploying React applications, e-commerce businesses can effectively showcase their products, engage customers, and drive sales. In the travel industry, another application of deploying React can be observed in booking platforms. Travel agencies and online travel booking websites leverage React to create user-friendly interfaces that facilitate the search, selection, and booking of travel services such as flights, accommodations, and car rentals. Deploying React applications in the travel industry involves optimizing performance for handling a large volume of data, integrating real-time updates for availability and pricing, and ensuring a secure payment process for seamless transactions. By effectively deploying React applications, travel booking platforms can streamline the booking process, enhance the user experience, and increase customer satisfaction. In conclusion, deploying React applications plays a crucial role in various industries across the globe, enabling businesses to deliver engaging user experiences, streamline processes, and drive growth in the digital landscape. By leveraging the capabilities of React and following best practices in deployment, companies can effectively reach their target audience, drive conversions, and stay competitive in today's dynamic business environment. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.